What if I told you this ultra-thin laptop weighs just 1.26 kilograms, packs Intel AI power, an OLED display, and still delivers serious performance? This is the Acer Swift 14RE, and today I'll tell you whether this is the perfect laptop for work, content creation, and everyday power users. Right out of the box, the Acer Swift 14AI feels premium and lightweight. At just 1.26 kilograms, it's super portable, perfect for students, professionals, and travelers. The clean aluminum design gives it a modern, professional look, and it's thin enough to slip into any backpack without effort. Inside, this laptop is powered by the Intel Core Ultra 7258V processor, featuring Intel AI Boost. Base clock, 2.2 GHz. Boosts up to 4.8 GHz. 12 MB Intel Smart Cache. Paired with 32 GB LPDDR5X RAM, you get a 512 GB PCIe Gen for NVMe SSD. The integrated Intel Arc graphics also handles casual gaming, video editing, and AI-accelerated tasks surprisingly well. Connectivity and ports. 2x USB-C ports with Thunderbolt for USB for 40 gigabits per second. 2x USB-A 3.2 Gen 1 ports. HDMI 2.1 for external displays. Wi-Fi 7 with Intel Killer support. Bluetooth 5.4. Now let's talk about the 14-inch OLED display, because this is a big highlight. You get 1920 by 1200 WUXGA resolution. 16:10 aspect ratio for more vertical screen space. 400 nits brightness. 100% DCI-P3 color accuracy. This screen is amazing for watching videos, photo editing, content creation, and even just browsing. Colors pop, blacks are deep, and the OLED panel makes everything look premium. 1440p QHD/IR HDR webcam. The laptop is powered by a 65Wh battery. The Acer Swift 14AI is an excellent choice if you want a lightweight premium laptop. OLED display. AI-powered performance. Tons of RAM, 32 GB. Great ports and future-ready connectivity.